Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the battery in an Infiniti Q50. First, gather your essential tools, including a 10mm wrench and a battery terminal brush. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Remember to wear safety gloves and eye protection throughout the process to protect yourself from any potential hazards. Next, locate your Infiniti Q50's battery, which is typically found in the trunk or under the hood. Using your wrench, disconnect the negative terminal first, followed by the positive terminal. This order prevents accidental short circuits. After disconnecting, carefully remove any battery hold-down clamps or straps that secure the old battery in place, preparing it for removal. Now, before placing the new battery, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the cable terminals thoroughly. This ensures good contact and prevents corrosion. Carefully place the new battery into the clean tray, making sure it sits securely. Then, connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal, reversing the disconnection order for safety. Finally, secure the new battery firmly in place using its hold-down clamp to prevent movement while driving. Apply a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to both battery terminals to protect them from future corrosion and ensure a long-lasting connection. Once everything is secure, start your Infiniti Q50 to confirm the new battery is working correctly and your car powers on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.